Welcome to the module on eLearning Compatibility Standards. Long time ago, instructors sat face-to-face with their learners to teach them. Then came the era of e-learning with the technological advancements. Now, learning happens even if instructor is sitting in front of us or not. However, simply making e-learning courses are not enough. It must reach the learners, and following that, the instructor must know the progress of learning. Initially, the materials were simply uploaded on a software for the learners to access. It only helped in giving the content, but who would decide if learning has actually taken place? Who would assess the progress of the learner? To answer this problem, the Learning Management System was introduced. Learning Management System, or LMS, is just like a school. The learner, who is a student, goes to this school to gain knowledge. The only difference is, unlike real school building, LMS is web-based. The e-learning course is placed on the LMS for the learner to access. Like all other schools, LMS too can offer a number of e-learning courses. The learner simply has to log in to the LMS through an organization's web portal, which is like taking admission in the school. Once that is done, the learner can access any material, anytime. Like all schools, LMS not only delivers online courses, but also keeps track of the learner's learning progress through various activities and assignments. Therefore, LMS has the following functionalities: learner registration and administration, training event management such as scheduling, tracking and web-based training delivery, curriculum and certification management, skills and competencies management, reporting, training record management, bookmarking, assessment, print certificate. Are you looking at improving the quality of your e-learning course? Then watch out for compatibility standards in e-learning. E-learning standards, also called compatibility standards, ensures that the e-learning course speaks the same language as the LMS, so that once placed on the LMS, the two can talk to each other. Therefore, compatibility standards address the relationship between the e-learning course and the learning management system. 3 compatibility standards are largely accepted industry-wide. After the installation and initial launch, the AICC was introduced, followed by Scorm and TINCAN API. AICC stands for Aviation Industry Computer-Based Training Committee. It is a technical standard that defines how e-learning courses interact with learning management systems to support tracking of courses. AICC has minor technical differences compared to Scorm and TINCAN API, such as, it allows course to communicate information in HTTP format. AICC was used earlier but failed to pace up with the emerging technologies. So, learning management systems still following the AICC format require course to be made compatible to it. Scorm is an abbreviation for Shareable Content Object Reference Model. It is a technical standard that was first developed by the U.S. military based on various other e-learning standards. Scorm has basically 2 aspects. First, interoperability, which allows course to communicate with other Scorm-related course or learning management systems, and second, portability, a subset of interoperability that allows course to be ported to learning management systems that are obviously Scorm compliant. TINCAN API, a standard of future and successor of Scorm. It aids in tracking and recording learning experiences happening anywhere and through any device. Scorm that way could track learning that happened over laptops and desktops. Although various learning management systems are Scorm compliant, yet it cannot track mobile learning. Scorm and TINCAN API are the most commonly and widely used e-learning standards. E-learning standards serve various purposes. First, it makes e-learning content material accessible anywhere and anytime. Second, it adapts to the individual and organization's needs. Third, it is economical in terms of cost and time when it comes to delivering instruction. Fourth, it makes content durable and does not affect the content even if technology changes. Fifth, advantages of interoperability, that is, It makes operability across a wide variety of hardware, operating systems, web browsers and LMS. And last, the biggest advantage is that of reusability. The same content can be modified and used multiple times in various platforms. What do you think are the advantages of e-learning standards? Have you used any of these standards? How was the experience? Do mention in the comments below.